Fill in the missing digits. 267 plus 524 equals. Answer: 791. Pick the greatest. 154, 270, 572. Answer: 572 is the greatest. Fill in the missing digits. 247 plus 931 equals. Answer: 1178. What is 4 times 2? Answer: 8. What is 35 divided by 7? Answer: 5. What is 24 plus 15? Answer: 39. What is 18 plus 42? Answer: 60. Fill in the missing digits. 638 plus 790 equals. Answer: 1428. Pick the greatest. 412, 171, 533. Answer: 533 is the greatest. What comes next in the sequence? 18, 27, 36, 45. Answer: 54. What is 45 divided by 5? Answer: 9. Pick the greatest. 562, 578, 344. Answer: 578 is the greatest. What is 28 divided by 7? Answer: 4. What is 28 divided by 7? Answer: 4. What is 50 divided by 5? Answer: 10. What is 44 times 4? Answer: 176. You have 45 candies and want to give 5 to each friend. How many friends get candies? Answer: 9. You have 45 candies and want to give 2 to each friend. How many friends get candies? Answer: 22. What is 48 divided by 6? Answer: 8. You have 36 candies and want to give 3 to each friend. How many friends get candies? Answer: 12.